Okay, today we're going to do a flashlight bypass valve test on these two oil filters. This Valvoline oil filter, number VO12060, and this Purolator filter, number LX12060. And what we're going to do is take a flashlight, shine it down here, and see if there's any light coming right around here on this filter. If there is, that means unfiltered oil could go through there, because this is the bypass valve right here. And on this filter, the bypass valve is right here. So we'll just shine the light down here and we'll see if there's any light coming out of here. So let's start with this Valvoline filter. This is the Valvoline one, and I'm going to hit the light. Okay, so we'll put a flashlight right in there. And you can see all the light coming through here. It's just coming through the poppet valve. But you can see some light right here. See that white light right there? And I'm going to push on it. Okay, I don't see any light around there. So that's good. I'll push on right here. I don't see any light there either. This filter looks like it passed. Yep. This one is a little bit, well, I'll show it afterwards. Let me show that afterwards. Okay, on this one, now you can see there's nothing coming out of here. See that? Put it right inside there. No light. So these Purolators, or these bypass valves with the inside the end cap itself, they're pretty good. They don't seem to leak, but these usually do. Let me put the light on here. This one is a little bit, fits a little snugger, and it's a little, it's got more height here. Because a lot of times they're just kind of like flat, but this one fits in there pretty deep. See that? It's right in there pretty good. Let's take a look at it one more time. See, so when I push on it, you can see a little bit of light, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. Let's push on it. Look at that. It seals it right up when I push on it. Yeah, so this is a better valve. I wish I had another one to compare it to, but on most of my other tests, these usually fail. Alright, so both of those filters passed. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.